The Earth is not dangerous everywhere. In fact, most of the places humans live exist in a very narrow range of conditions. Temperatures are stable, oxygen is available, pressure is manageable. But most of the planet does not meet those conditions. This episode is about places on Earth that exist outside the limits of human survival. Places that were never meant to be entered, but were anyway. Caves are not empty spaces.
They are enclosed systems with their own rules.
Once you enter a cave, the surface world stops mattering. Weather above ground no longer helps you. Sunlight no longer exists. GPS often stops working. Many of the most dangerous caves on Earth are dangerous for one reason. They remove time from the rescue equation. Some caves flood without warning. There may be no rain above ground, no sound, no visible sign. Water enters through underground channels and fills the cave rapidly. In some systems, water levels can rise several feet in minutes. When this happens, escape routes disappear. Divers and explorers trapped in these caves are not killed by drowning immediately. They are trapped in sealed chambers where oxygen slowly runs out. This is why many cave systems are permanently closed or marked as fatal zones. Not because people cannot enter, but because people cannot be saved. Some caves are not dangerous because of water. They are dangerous because of geometry. Vertical caves are deep shafts that descend straight down into the earth. Entry often requires ropes, harnesses, and anchors. The danger is not the descent. The danger is that the cave does not guarantee an exit. If a rope fails, there is no alternative route. If an anchor shifts, there is no secondary system. If equipment is damaged, gravity becomes permanent. These caves are not traps by design. They are simply environments where one mistake cannot be corrected. In many recorded cases, explorers reached the bottom safely, but could not climb back out. The cave did not collapse. The cave did not flood. The cave simply waited. Cold is one of the most misunderstood threats on Earth. Extreme cold does not attack the body aggressively. It slows everything down. In deep ice caves and polar caverns, temperatures remain below freezing year-round. In these environments, bacteria struggle to survive. Decomposition slows dramatically. This is why some caves contain human remains that appear almost unchanged decades later. The danger of extreme cold caves is not just freezing. It is loss of function. Muscle coordination fails. Decision-making slows. Speech becomes difficult. People often do not realize they are dying because the process is quiet. In these places, death does not arrive violently. It arrives gradually as the body stops responding. Not all water behaves the same way. In some parts of the ocean, layers do not mix. The Black Sea is one of the most extreme examples. Below a certain depth, the water contains almost no oxygen. Instead, it contains hydrogen sulfide, a gas toxic to most life. Because of this, bacteria that normally break down organic material cannot survive. Wood does not rot. Leather does not decay. Human remains can stay intact for thousands of years. Shipwrecks discovered in the Black Sea often appear untouched. These environments do not destroy evidence, they preserve it. They turn the ocean into a storage system for history. These places are not mistakes. They are natural outcomes of pressure, temperature, chemistry, and time. The Earth creates environments across a massive range of conditions. Human life fits inside only a small portion of that range. Outside it, the planet does not adapt. We do. And when we cannot, the environment does not change its behavior. Humans are explorers by nature. We enter places because they exist. We descend because depth is possible. We push forward because curiosity demands it. But the Earth does not reward curiosity. It only enforces rules. And the further we move outside the conditions that made us possible, the less forgiving those rules become. In the next episode, we will explore places where time itself behaves differently on Earth. Places where decay stops, history pauses, and the past refuses to disappear.